Early morning walk. Kung wala nagsisinta, waay naglakat. Halin sa kwari pasagay. Lang taon tagid ni kung di tang kaya ta. Kung kapuyon masakay eh. Tahom sa mga roses. Early in the morning. Roses in the morning. We are here. Ulano na kami dugay-dugay. One lap. Hours on the road. From exercising to getting some free nutritious food. Yay! May balunggay na si Miggy. Selfie gamay na si Janet man. Selfie gamay. Sa mga oldies, try to look at that. We're on the road. From Quarry, we are now in Alpina. Like kami. Namin sa sunrise. Trying to capture the 3 kilometers walk from Sitio Quarry to Barangay Alpina. Barangay Alpina to Sitio Alpina. With my walking buddy, Miss Janelle. We are on the road now and we're trying to conquer another kilometers. From 3 kilometers to another 1 kilometer, then we will be going to Sagay. Our target walk is from Quarry to Sagay City. That is almost 5 kilometers. Now we are approaching TUP. We arrive at TUP. This is TUP Sagay. We are here now. We are almost done with 4 kilometers. This is the Technical University of the Philippines in Sagay City. We are now here, our stopover. At Jeb's Coffee Shop. Our stopover. Mga pi kami anay. Sa akong walking buddy. We are now approaching the next school. USAT. USAT Sagay. This is USAT. USAT in Sagay City. Health Center. We are now approaching Sagay City Plaza. Our destination. We're here now. Sagay City Plaza. At Sagay City Plaza. Net! Dislikod net! Ayun na kami. Abot na kami. Sa among destination. 5 kilometers walk. We're here at last. From 5:20 to 7:20 in the morning. Hi, Jeanette! Tired. Kapoy, gid.